Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to get a Google spreadsheet on your iPhone. So first thing we're gonna do is go into the App Store and open the App Store first. Okay, hold on. And now we already generated into the first page, and please go into the search button down here. And now please type Google spreadsheet. Okay, after you find, just click it, and then after that there will be like several options. You can like scrolling down and look for which is the Google spreadsheet. So the symbol of Google spreadsheet is like this. Names or the title is Google Sheets, and after that you just need to click a get or download here. Since I already have or installed it on my iPhone, so there will be a different sign here. They say that I need to update my application, so let's have it. So if you say download, there will be also the same way, but then here will be type as download. For me this is update. It's just the same. And then after that we just need to like wait and hold until this application is successfully installed on our phone. So that's how the way you get a Google spreadsheet on your phone. If you find out this tutorial is really useful for you, don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.